Good afternoon, my name is Frederick Rivera and I will show you guys today how a starting system works. So we have two parts of the starting system. We have the starter motor and we have our battery. So this battery, before we actually power the starter motor, we have to check and see how much voltage this battery has. So you want to press range and set the multimeter. Put this right here and take our positive lead, put it to our positive battery terminal, and our negative lead to our negative battery terminal. And we read, let me do that again. We read 12.1 volts. A fully charged battery has around 12.6 to 12.8, but because we did a couple of test runs before doing this video, it discharged the battery just a little bit. So now, we'll come over here, and here we have our starter motor. And so the way that this starter motor works, with this key in the ignition, it flips over this small amount of current and travels to the relay, and the relay switches over a small amount of current to a large amount of current to this wire, and that wire connects to the solenoid, and a solenoid converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, and that connects to the starter motor, and the starter motor flips over and powers up and powers this Pendix drive. And the Pendix drive right here has 11 teeth, and if you turn it clockwise, as you can see, it moves freely. Now if you turn it counterclockwise, it engages. And what I mean by it engages to the ring plate in the flywheel, and that's what's actually going to power the starter and get the engine running to a minimum of 200 RPM so that the engine can pretty much run itself and won't need help by the starter anymore. So now that we've done that, we'll come over here. And now we're gonna actually power it so you can actually see how all this works. And here, since usually there's a lot more cables and whatnot, but we have jumper cables just so we can bypass all the other wires and switches. So come over here, and as you can see, I'm gonna turn this over and the Pendix drive is gonna stick out and turn. And that right there is how it turns on the engine, and that is how the starting system works. Thank you very much. Have a great day.